motherfuckers? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. How you doing tonight? It's been a minute. Got some peas going. Got some mushrooms in the pan. I'm gonna do a steak. Let me show you. I got this grass-fed Angus beef right here. No hormones or antibiotics. Raised locally. It was originally that price. It's not even that big. It's 0.39 pound, and I got it for that. So let's do it up. Just made a spot in the pan for direct heat with the steak, and here we go. And there we go with some of this and some salt and pepper. Looking all ready to go. Check it out. And there we go. Check it out. Flipped it. Did 3 minutes on the other side. Got all these mushrooms. Yeah. And there it is, folks. Nice, beautiful mushroom steak. Yeah. I put 3 little slices of fresh mushroom on as it cooks. Gonna get this off and start cutting. Let it rest. I'm gonna let it rest a few minutes. Yeah, and there we go. Check it out. Damn. Get right in there. Mushrooms. Yeah. Yeah. Check it out. And of course, those green peas from Trader Joe's, the organic ones, looking all good. Got the A1 over here too. Yeah, motherfuckers, this is so delicious. I love doing this every once in a while. I usually have a pound of beef at least, but this stuff is the good shit, so not a big deal. Soup it up with some mushrooms. Yeah, so friggin' good, you guys. So amazing. Just so easy to do. Get with the program, guys. Doesn't take much effort, just a little planning. You got a friggin' steak dinner. Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking in with what I'm doing today. Hope you have a great evening or day or night or whenever you're watching this. And please check out my other links in the description below. Smash that like button and subscribe button, and feel free to leave a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see me make in the future, or where you would like me to go. Alright, check out one of these next videos on the screen, and I'm out. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Chronic Eats out.